Learn how to read, write, and communicate in Hausa language like a native speaker wherever you are around the world. Through the program, teach yourself Hausa language, coming to you from Rumbun Ilimi with me, Abubakar Muhammad Sangarwa. Darasi na 33. Lesson 33. Bigire. Preposition. Cikin. Waje out. Kai on. Ƙarƙashi ko ƙasan anda. Gefe beside. Baya behind. Gaba front. Misalai a cikin jimloli. Examples in sentences. Yana zaune a kan kujera. He is sitting on a chair. Tana cikin jaka. It is in the bag. Fita waje. Go out. Yana wajen daki. He is outside the room. Ya zauna a gefen gida. He sat beside the house. Tana bayan kujerar. It is behind the chair. Ado yana gaban Idi. Ado is in front of Idi. My good student, thank you for joining this class. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe the channel, like and share it to make it more beneficial to many people around the world. Remember to visit https://lumbunilimi.com.ng or click the link below this video to download the exercises pages. Goodbye and see you in the next class.